Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm having an awesome day. You know why? Because I got a box that I think everyone is going to be excited about, because I think in the end we all still get excited about this place, because I don't think any of us ever grow up when it comes to this place. So I have for you Walt's Life. Walt Life is what it's called, and it's an exclusive Disney fan club. So of course I'm talking about Walt Disney World. Of course I'm talking about that. I mean, we all feel like a child when we think about Disney, don't we? I mean, I still love anything Disney. I do. I mean, I still want to be a princess. I still want to be a princess. I'm still a princess in my heart. I'm a princess. I am a princess. So I am going to tell you a little bit about this very special box. I was contacted by this company, and I of course said yes. Why wouldn't I? I love this Disney, anything Disney, I love it. So I was like, oh my goodness, yes. What do I have to do? Where do I sign? Yes, I would love to, because I'm just a Disney person. I just love Disney, and I'm so happy. Like, my grandkids want to watch like a Disney movie, I'm like, sure, I'll watch it because I love Disney. So let me tell you a little bit about it while I'm done gushing over Disney. Because I love Disney World and I love anything Disney. Like I've already told you 52,000 times. I know, I'm just really excited over Disney. I know, I'll settle down in a minute, but I'm really excited over Disney. I'm excited. Okay, so this box is called Walt Life Addiction Subscription, and it says, never miss Disney again with our Disney subscription box. Magical goodies delivered to your door. And it says there's plans as low as $8 a month. So let me see what happens when I click subscribe now. So it says, I'm going to tell you the different subscriptions that they have. So the pin edition is the $8 a month, and you get one authentic Disney trading pin every month, and that's for the $8 a month. And then, oh wow, there are 8 boxes you can choose from. They have the pin edition and the pin collector. The pin collector is $18 a month, and you get one authentic Disney collector pin for the pin collector. The classic box is $20 a month, and that's the budget box of Disney Magic, and that contains 3+ surprise items that will make you feel like you're at your favorite place. And then they have the Magic box, and you can choose the male or female and the age of the child or adult, because we like Disney too. And that is $39 a month, and that has 4+ mystery items in it. And then they have Magic Plus, which is $48 a month, and that has 4+ mystery items, and you can also choose the gender and the age. And then they have the surprise box, which is also $48 a month, where you can choose the gender and the age. And that has, it says, if you're planning a surprise trip to any Disney vacation destinations, you're going to need a way to share the great news. With our surprise box, you can share the excitement of a Disney vacation with your loved ones, while also stocking up on some of the items necessary for any Disney trip. So that's what's in the surprise box, and that is $48 a month. And then they have the snack box, and that is $59 a month, and that says, whether you have the appetite of a pretty princess or a hungry beast, Our snack box will be sure to fill your belly with delicious snacks directly from Walt Disney World parks. And then there's one last box, and it is called the Kingdom box, and that is $79 a month. And this box is perfect for the world's biggest Disney fan. You will receive 3+ mystery items and 3+ Disney park items, making it the perfect box to share with family, friends, or to keep for yourself. And you can also choose the gender and the age. So I am not entirely sure which box that I received, but here is the front of my box, and this is exactly how it came to my door, except that it did have plastic around it, and there it is there. And it says Walt Life Special Delivery. It has the word ear in it. And then there are those on that side, and it says the adventure begins. And then here we go. I'm trying to show you all sides, and there's the shipping label. And now we're gonna open it because this looks like a nice treasure chest. There we go. And this is what you see when you open it. Ooh, so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Seize your moment. How many wonders can one cavern hold? That's over here. And then there are snap, post, and win. It says win our awesome prize. Visit facebook.com/Walt Life for the monthly winners. More than a vacation, it's a way of life. And then up here it says wishing you the happiest of days. You've got a friend in me. No capes, good things are sure to come your way. All right, so let me move the paper and I'll show you what we have in our box so far. There's our box. And then we're gonna see what our note says. Once upon a time, we hope you have a magical month. Your treasures are here, and then it tells me what's in my box. And it says, thank you for ordering from Walt Life. The magic is here. Love to you from Walt Life. Aw. That's so sweet. There we go. And when my box was sent out, I got this email, and there was a boy and a girl, and they were, I think that if I remember correctly, they sent me a message that in a little video, and it said that my Walt Life box was on its way, and that they hoped that I had a magical day or something to that effect. I thought it was just the cutest little thing. So, okay, the first thing that I received, is this. What is that? Oh, a window decal. It's the Disney castle. Maybe you can, no, you ain't gonna be able to see it that way either. Let's see. There we go. You can see it that way. That is so nice. I like that. Very cute. I like that. Well, it says the retail value is $9.99, and it is from the Disney store. I like that. Very nice. Very nice. And then we'll get these squigglies out of the way. There we go. Oh, and now what is this? This is a pom-pom keychain, and it's from the Frozen movie. Add a little pizzazz to your keychain with this adorable princess pom-pom keychain. Aw, that is very cute. I like that. Probably most of this stuff will go to my little granddaughter. She's like 2 years old, and she will love and appreciate these little things. She will just love it. I mean, unless there's something in here that I might like. You never know. No, isn't that just the sweetest little thing? That is so cute. I mean, I don't know if I'll be carrying this around. My husband might say, what do you think you're doing? And I will say, but it's Disney. That is so cute. Nice furry, nice fluffy pom-pom on there. That is very nice. Nice lobster claw. That is very nice. I like that. Very, very nice. All right. It says it's for ages 3 and up. Very nice. Very nice. Put it back in the bag so that my dog doesn't think it's her toy. Because she likes to play with things like this, and she will think it's her toy, and it is not her toy. All right, let's see what else we got in our Disney box. Oh, we got a pin in here. Trading pin. This is a trading pin, and I have absolutely no idea where this is from. Scrump, maybe? It's a trading pin, and I am not familiar with this. I'm probably going to look like a crazy person. Perfect way to add to your pin collection while also adding some Disney to your day. Does anybody know what this symbol is for? It's probably a newer movie of which I have no idea. But I'm thinking that there is a theme here somewhere, but there's the back. There's the pin on the back. Oh, isn't that cute? It's got the Mickey face with the ears. That is so cute. Aw, I like that, how they did that. How it has the Mickey face. Cute, very cute. I like this so far. All right, now let's see what else we have in here. Oh, some mini jelly beans. There we are. It says, yummy, yummy. Celebrate your love for Disney and satisfy your sweet tooth with these awesome jelly bellies. Ooh. Says there's berry blue, birthday cake, bubblegum, coconut, cotton candy, cherry passion, fruit smoothie, strawberry cheesecake. Very nice. I like they put a little snack in here too. My granddaughter won't be getting these. These are for grandma. Yes, they are. Okay, and we have a couple more things in here. We have looks like a bookmarker. Is that upside down? Of course it is. Everything is upside down. Walt Life, an exclusive Disney fan club. Nice bookmark. And then we have, oh, that's cute. It's a color me puzzle. I don't know if you guys can see that, where you can take it apart. I don't know if I'm catching it right, but it's a puzzle that you can take apart. Oh, there, now you can see it. It's coming apart. That's very cute. I like that. Cute. She'll enjoy coloring that and putting it together. Okay, so now we have one more thing in this box, and it's a big thing. So, oh, there's something inside of it. Let me take the something inside of it out first. Okay, this was inside of the other thing. Let's take this apart. Ooh, it's wrapped up too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, sometimes you just have to let your hair down. Oh, it's a tangled plaque. Sometimes you just have to let your hair down, and ain't it the truth? Oh, that is so, oh, I love this. And there's the back, and it has a little kickstand. Uh-oh, lost a little kickstand. Where'd it go? Where did it go? I gotta grab the kickstand before my dog. Isn't that just something? And you can see on the back there, it's $9.95. Very nice. I love that. Wow. I love that. That is so sweet. Okay, and the big thing in the box is a Scrump purse. Oh my goodness. Take your new purse out and share your love for Disney with the world in style. OMG. Can you believe this? Oh my goodness. My husband was gonna be like, what do you think you're doing? But I probably will give this to my youngest granddaughter. She's only 2 years old, so she will love this. She will think that she is styling. Isn't that so cute? Aww. That is so cute. Look at that. And there's the inside. I don't know if I'm going to be able to really see the end. There you go. That is so, so cute. There's the little, there. Now you can see the inside print. Isn't that just the cutest little purse? And the inside it says, "Oh My Disney" on it. That's so cute. Let me take this out of there. There we go. There we go. Wow, she's gonna love that. That is so cute. You can hold it by the handle, which she probably will do that part. That's just the cutest little purse in the world. Oh, she's gonna love that. Oh, and here is the tag, $31.95. That is just crazy. Oh, Oh My Disney. I just love this box. It makes you feel like a kid again. It does. It makes you feel like a kid again to see Disney in your living room is amazing. I just love this box and the memories of the things that you get. It could be one of your own childhood memories. You could have a box of Mickey or Donald or Minnie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, I love this box. It is, I love it. I love it. I don't know what else to say, but thank you to Walt Life for sending this to me to review. I appreciate this, and you made me feel like a kid again. Amazing box. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you guys would like to get a little piece of your childhood back, I will leave the link down below so that you can head on over to Great Joy and get your own Walt Life box, and leave me a comment below and let me know what character from Disney was your favorite character as a child. I'd be curious to know. Was it a good character, or was it one of the more, you know, shadier characters? You know what I mean. So let me know. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to never stop loving Disney. Because I still watch kids' movies myself. So, I love kids' movies. So, sometimes they're better than the adult movies, honestly. All right, guys. Well, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye, y'all.